Hi, I'm Bailey with MyMathExperts, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the following equation, 4 parentheses log base 3 of 1/27th equals x. So right off the bat in solving this equation, the x is already by itself on one side of the equation, so we don't need to worry about, moving anything around or getting x by itself. So basically what this is asking us to do at this point is just simplify our left-hand side as much as possible. So the big thing we're going to need to do is simplify this logarithmic expression in here. So luckily the numbers are actually pretty nice here because I'm noticing that 27 is a power of 3. It's 3 to the third. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. The only issue here is that it's not log base 3 of 27. It's log base 3 of 1/27th, right? So if we just had log base 3 of 27, that's basically equivalent to saying 3 to what power is 27, and that's to the third power, like we said. 3. 3 to the third. So if we're just talking about the power is just 3, and then 3 to the third is 27. So log base 3 of 27 would simplify to 3. This is saying if it's now 1/27th, 3 to what power is 1/27th? Luckily, there's a really easy, convenient way for a power to turn something into the denominator that normally would not be in the denominator. So make sure you know your exponent rules, because that is, if you have a negative exponent, it puts everything in the denominator. So this is going to be, our exponent for this is going to be -3. So just as our check here, we're claiming that 3 to the -3rd is equivalent to 1/27th. Let's just play that out just to make sure that that is true. So like we said, if you have a number to a negative power, it flips it into the denominator. So now this is equivalent to 1/3 to the third. And then we can play out 3 to the third down here. That's 1/3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. 9 times 3, which is 27. So we have checked that indeed 3 to the -3rd is indeed 1/27th. So 3 to what power is 1/27th? 3 to the -3rd. So this whole thing is just going to simplify down to -3. And then it's super, super easy, because now this is literally just -12. 4 times -3 is -12. Bada bing, bada boom. That's our value of x. So I personally find that this framing is super helpful when you're trying to figure out what a log means. You have your base, you have that to some power that is going to be the value of the log, and then you have your result. So 3 to what power is 1/27th? 3 to what power is 27? I find that framing is super helpful for problems like this. So thanks for listening. Hope that helped.